Asheville, North Carolina, has been severely impacted by catastrophic floods caused by the remnants of Hurricane Helene, which dropped up to 30 inches of rain in parts of the state. The city saw 14 inches of rainfall over 3 days, setting a record and causing the Swannanoa River to reach unprecedented levels. The floods triggered mudslides, left many residents without power, clean water, or cell service, and resulted in over 130 water rescues. Several people remain unaccounted for after mudslides affected 4 homes. Efforts to clear debris and restore communication are ongoing amidst widespread outages.